Everyone, and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Bitfinex password. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser on your smartphone. So go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, simply type in bitfinex.com/login and then tap on the enter button. You will now be taken into the login website of Bitfinex. Now just type in your email address, and then in order to change your password, just tap on the forgot password button underneath the captcha. Now you will be asked to enter your email address once again. So just type it in and then tap on the submit button. Now you will receive a notification which tells you to check your email address. So just go ahead and open up your inbox and you will find an email from Bitfinex. Within this email, you will find a button which says reset password now. So just tap on this button and now you will be allowed to set up your new password. Just type in your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Finally, check on the box which says that you confirm that you have used a unique password. Now you can tap on the submit button. Finally, you will need to authenticate your password change. So just go ahead and open up your Google Authenticator and find your token code. Then just enter this token code and tap on the submit button. And now you can use your new password to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Bitfinex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.